Hi friends, and happy Tech Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 different keyboard shortcuts that are guaranteed to help you save time. So sure, a keyboard shortcut might not save you too much time, maybe a couple of minutes a day, but over the course of the entire month, that's like an entire 45-minute episode of your favorite Netflix show. So let's dive right in. This first keyboard shortcut that I'm going to be showing you works with pretty much everything. So it works with Google Docs, it works with Google Slides, and right now I'm just going to be showing you an example using Gmail because I personally find myself using this keyboard shortcut the most with Gmail. However, like I said, you can use it with a variety of different tools, not just Gmail. So let's take a look at an example. So I've written out, Dear EdTech Classroom Community, I am so happy to share this fun and easy keyboard shortcut with you. With this shortcut, you'll learn how to paste text without formatting. And like I said, I find myself using this keyboard shortcut the most over email. So let's take a look at an example. So I'm going to click on this Google Doc here where I've written this message, and it says, this message is in hot pink 12-point font and Times New Roman until I press Command-Shift-V. So what I want to do is I want to actually add this text here into my email. So I'm just going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to my email here. And when I press paste, you'll see that the message has pasted in this 12-point font. It's hot pink. It's Times New Roman. It doesn't match my email at all. And most of the time, when I find myself pasting things into email, I want to make sure that my font and formatting is consistent throughout. So if you press Command-Shift-V on your keyboard, you'll see that the text pastes without formatting. So this is a fun and really simple trick. Like I said, you can use it with more than just Gmail, but this is just one example. For this keyboard shortcut, I'm going to be showing you how to insert a hyperlink. So for this example, I'm going to be using Google Docs, but just like the last example, you can use a variety of different tools. This is something that I actually find myself using a lot with Google Slides as well, when I'm trying to hyperlink different words or different shapes to specific web pages or even other slides. So right here in my Google Doc, Now I have written a really incredible and impressive story. It is such a long story all about things that are really incredible and impressive. Just kidding. I'm showing you how to insert a link using an awesome keyboard shortcut called Command-K. I'll insert my link right here. So where it says the word here, I'm just going to highlight that. And then I'm going to go find a URL that I want to add. So I'm just going to take this URL from my blog here, and I'll go back to my Google Doc. And now on my keyboard, I'm going to press Command-K. And you'll see that now there's a place for me to paste my link. So when I paste my link and I click Apply, now you can very easily just click and you'll be redirected to the URL. Pretty cool, right? For this third keyboard shortcut, I'm going to be showing you how you can really quickly just highlight the URL of the web page that you're currently on. So for example, let's say I'm reading this really interesting blog post on the EdTech Classroom blog, and I've decided that I want to share this link really quickly with some of my friends. So instead of going up here and, taking my time to highlight the whole link here, instead on my keyboard, I can just press Command-L. And now I've highlighted the URL. So now I can copy this, I can paste it, send it to my friends. You can do a bunch of different things with the link. I always have a gazillion different tabs open on Google Chrome. If you're anything like me, you probably have tons of tabs open all the time. So I'm going to show you this really neat shortcut to be able to move back and forth between these different tabs really quickly. I find that this tip helps me save a lot of time, and it's just really efficient to be able to find which tab I'm looking for. So right now, for example, I am doing some research for a paper that I'm writing on keyboard shortcuts. So I've typed into Google, what is a keyboard shortcut? Now I want to be able to toggle back and forth between this page, and now I want to be able to find my notes page so I can write down some notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Command, Option, and then the right arrow key to move to the right, Now I can press Command Option, the left arrow key, to move to the left. So now let's say if I am on this last tab here, my Research on Keyboard Shortcuts tab, if I wanted to go all the way over to this tab here, it sort of circles back. So what I can do is I can still press Command Option, and when I click on the right arrow key, it'll take me back to the beginning. Now if I click on the left arrow key, it'll take me back. For this last keyboard shortcut, I could probably do a whole Tech Tuesday on all the different ways that you can do this, but I'm just going to be showing you one way that you can delete an entire line. So let's say that I want to delete this whole line right here. So instead of, highlighting the entire thing and then clicking delete on my keyboard, instead, all I need to do is just press Command and then the delete button, and it'll delete the entire line. Thank you so much for watching today's tech tip. I hope you learned some new keyboard shortcuts, and I'll see you back here next week on Tech Tuesday. Bye, friends!